Is your headliner sagging or falling down? Or like me, do you just not have one at all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. First step you need to do is remove your headliner. Luckily, mine is all one piece with top, so this whole thing just pops right off, but most cars have two pieces. You have your outer skin, and on the bottom you have a piece of plastic, usually with some foam on it. Every car is different, so I can't teach you how to take that off, but remove it. Typically, headliners have different pieces for your A pillars, your B pillars. You might even have some other covers. So your first goal, pull all that stuff once your headliner is out, because we're going to wrap this stuff separately. You mainly need two things to do this job. You need a headliner adhesive, link in my link tree to find this on Amazon, and you also need some suede headliner. I think this was only like $30 or $40. And these were probably 20 bucks a can. Typically when you guys pull off your headliners, you're going to see this yellow foam that's falling apart and making a giant mess everywhere, and that's why your headliner's falling down. The foam that you're seeing falling apart everywhere is that foam underlayment that goes underneath the cloth when you buy a headliner. What you need to use to remove that is a brush. Truth be told, any old wire brush is going to work because you don't care if this gets damaged at all, and you're going to wire brush all of that foam off until it's completely gone. Just like paint, headliner doesn't stick very well to dirty or grease surfaces. So what you need to do is use some surface prep, or you can use rubbing alcohol, or even acetone will probably work, and you want to wipe this whole bad boy down until it's nice and clean. Make sure you put some blue tape on anything you don't want to get an adhesive on, because we're going to spray it. Once everything is ready, go ahead and unfold your headliner material, and we're going to make sure that it fits exactly where we need it to. Give yourself plenty of excess. Lay your headliner on as it's going to go, and then we're going to fold half of it back. We're going to apply headliner adhesive to half. We're going to apply it to the actual headliner itself and to the part. Spray it 6 to 8 inches away from the surface. Keep it nice and wet, and I would probably try to avoid hitting all of your tape because it will just make it harder to come off.
Web slinger.
Typically, I spray one direction, and then I go back around and spray the opposite. That way you get full coverage. And now we're going to spray the actual headliner.
My spidey senses are tingling.
After we let this sit for 5 or 10 minutes, it starts getting tacky and doesn't pull off the surface. That's when you know it's ready to join the two pieces. We're going to start from our center and work our way out, flattening it as we go. That way you don't get any air bubbles and you get Schunzel's nipple. Thank you. It's the best part. You're going to work your way out, and you're also going to work from the center out here. So as we're pushing here, we're going to work our way to both edges. Now, beautiful. Now that that half is done, we're going to flip it over and do this half. Same process on this side. Now that everything is nicely smoothed out and put on the headliner, it's time to cut it, boys. Like ripping a Band-Aid. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now that the centerpiece is done, we can move on to our little smaller pieces. For the smaller parts, you might want to actually wrap the fabric around to the back, and when that is the case, you may want to use some all-purpose cement. This stuff is great. You can grab it like Walmart, and essentially what you're going to do is the same thing we did with the spray-on stuff. Put it on the front and the back, and let it dry. Same thing on this. We start from the middle and work our way to the edges. Cut slits into the corners and then cut off the exit. And there you have it, boys. She's done looking pretty. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, feel free to drop me a follow and tell your mother that I love her.